Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today I learn numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Black color, black color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Kids, now you're coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1 and use red color, 2, the numbers of 2, and again use red color. Kids, now you draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use black color, 4, the numbers of 4, and again use black color. 5, the numbers of 5, and again use black color. Kids, now you draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use brown color. Kids, now you draw 7, and again use brown color. Kids, now you draw 8, the numbers of 8, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 9, the numbers of 9. Kids, again use green color and draw 10, the numbers of 10. Kids, now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow color. 12, the numbers of 12, and again use yellow color. Kids, now you draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use blue color. 14, the numbers of 14, and again use blue color. Kids, now you draw 15, the numbers of 15, and again use blue color. Kids, now you draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 17, the numbers of 17. Kids, now you draw 18, the numbers of 18, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. It's last you draw 20, and again use black color. Kids, today you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.